Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the lock type and getting tools. Do this now so you can work continuously. Remove the strike plate screw and pull the interior knob or trim using a screwdriver. Keep screws together. Once exposed, rotate the cylinder to align the cam slot and remove the retaining screw, then slide the cylinder out gently. Make sure to note which way the cam faces and take a quick photo for reassembly. You now inspect the removed cylinder for wear and match the new core precisely. This prevents binding. Lubricate the new cylinder with a dry lubricant, graphite or silicone, so pins move smoothly. Insert the cylinder while holding the cam in the aligned position, then slide it into the housing until fully seated. Make sure the retaining screw threads easily. If it resists, back off and realign rather than forcing it, which can strip parts. You finish by reinstalling the trim and tightening screws finger tight, then test the key 5 to 10 times to seat the pins properly. If the cylinder sticks or the key feels rough, back out the retaining screw, apply a touch more lubricant, and reseat the cylinder. This fixes most binding issues. If the bolt won't align, check the strike plate and adjust its height or deepen the mortise. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, try a spare cylinder to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.